everyone, and today we're gonna do, guys, before you are ready, you have to like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, save my videos, so you don't miss out on any of them. Now, we're gonna do Hi everyone! Today we're gonna do I Ready Math! Peter.
Find 9 times 20. First, choose the model that represents 9 times 20.
So guys, this is the correct answer.
9 times 20 is equal to
So it means you have to add 20 plus 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 20.
Let's think about
That's lots and lots.
Plus 20 plus
the factor
20 plus
20 is a multiple of 10.
Multiple.
How many tens are in 20?
There is 2 tens in 20. Come on, come on.
How many tens are in 9 times 20?
How many tens are in 9 times 20? You can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wait, what? Oh, no, I was wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, there is 1 tens. Wait, what?
There are 9 groups of 2 tens. Multiply 9 by 2.
So multiply 9 by 2, huh?
Nine times 2 equals 18. So 9 times 2 tens equals 18 tens. Enter 18.
I could have done that, so yeah. I Ready makes kids smarter.
Now, find
I
the
Ready
product.
is good
What is
for
9
kids.
times 20?
Wait, what?
Now, find the product. What is 9 times 20? Remember, 10 tens is 100. What is 18 tens?
So you're technically telling me to do 9 times 20. It's 180, guys. I'm not trying to if I get this right, you have to sub.
9 times 20 equals 180. Match pairs of cards that have the same total. Here is a matching pair. 80 times 2 is equal to 16 tens. Here is a matching pair. 3 times 90 is equal to 27 tens.
Don't forget to like and sub.
Find 6 times 50. 50 is a multiple of 10. What is another way to write 50? Complete the equation. Way to go! Let's group the factors to multiply
Group
by 10
factors.
last.
That sounds pretty easy, but it could be hard.
6 times 5.
6 times. I just eat. 6 times. You know what? Like 6 times because I felt like I was about to sneeze, and I didn't want to sneeze. Like. Okay. Okay, that's enough. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, it's 30. Now 30 times 10.
Now, complete the problem. What is 6 times 50?
So 10 plus 10 plus 10. Or 30 plus 30 plus 30, yeah. But we're gonna do 10 plus 10 plus 10. I mean, you might think it's 30, right? No, I was just joking, guys. I was just
6
joking.
times 50 is equal to 30 times 10. What is 30 times 10?
So you actually have to do 30 plus 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 30. That is pretty hard. Not gonna lie. And guys, you might say it's 300. That is not 300,000. Get it.
6 times 50 equals 300.
If you subscribe, you're in the angel.
Find 8 times 70. 70 is a multiple of 10. What is another way to write 70? Complete the equation. Let's group the factors to multiply.
So we group the factors.
Find 8 times 7.
8 times 7. Everybody knows 8 times 7 equals 56. 56. 50,006. Imagine it was. Get it. 50. Wait, what? Oh, 56. 50 what? Oh, 56. 8, 17.
Now, complete the problem. What is 8 times 70?
Oh my god. 8 times 70? 8 times 70? So. Guys, I don't know the answer, so Plory's gonna ask. Plory's gonna tell us. Oh, the answer. Why? I meant Plory was talking. Plory! Oh, I'm here, Krister. What do you need help with? I can't find the answer. 56 times 10. Can you help us? Oh, the answer is, I think, 560. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, thanks, Plory. Can you leave right now?
70 equals 560. Match expressions that have the same product. You can think of 30 as 3 times 10, and then multiply by 8. So these expressions have the same product.
Oh, I could have brought Plory. Oh, Plory! Krister, what do you need help with? I don't yeah, can you help me with this? This seems easy. So, if you got it wrong, it's this and this. Oh, thanks, Plory. You are wonderfully awesome. Oh, I can help you with another one. Thanks. Actually, you can do all the answers for me, or whatever I need help with. I do the easiest one I can do. That's why I'm doing answers for you. Okay, now I don't need help with this one. You can still stay whenever I ask. Yay. Thanks a lot, Plory. High five. Oh, we got 3 high fives. Now let's get a hard one. Oh! That was a pretty good one. Let's get one. Okay, now time for math. I don't really know the answer. Can you help me? Oh, sure. Oh, sure. I'm going to type it in for you. 270. Yes.
Find the product.
Thanks a lot, Plory, but I also need help with this. Oh, my God. Plory. I said I need help. Let me think. So if we add 60 plus 60 plus 6, 60 plus 60.
No plastic.
I think I knew the answer. I think it's 480. Oh, Plory, you actually got it right. That's wonderful.
Find the product.
Oh, Plory. Wait, no, you're right beside me. You're just hiding. Ah, silly. I think that's 420. No,
Let's
you can
check
just...
it out. Find 3 times 8.
Are you
80
kidding
is a multiple of 10. What is another way to write 80? Complete the equation. Let's group the factors to multiply by 10 last. Find 3 times 8.
And that's it for today. Now, bye everyone. See you in our next video.